Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. It fits with a swing. Come on, Digley, plug it in. Oh no, something's wrong. The lights are out, the power's gone. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Take a look behind, then we'll see what you can find. Ah, yes, now you see. No time to waste. Follow that lead. Digley and Dazey working on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Watch out, sparks and smoke. The big generator's broke. Fix it if you can, but Dazey has a different plan. Use light from the sun. Solar power is the one. Now the job is done. CJ, you can turn them on. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right.
What are the crew working on today? They're fixing up a school soccer field. Yippee! It's looking a bit overgrown, and the goals are falling apart. Time to get to work. Bump is laying new grass, and CJ's painting fresh white lines, whilst Digley and Dazey are fixing the goals. Great teamwork, gang! And it looks good as new. Time to test it out. Mr. Rubble is referee, and it's boys versus girls. Let's play. Digley kicks to Bump, and Bump charges for the goal. Whoa! Steady there, Bump. That was a very big kick. Whoa! Bump really wants to win. Dazey passes to CJ, but Bump tackles CJ to the ground. Oh dear! That wasn't very nice, Bump. He should have been more friendly. Mr. Rubble is giving Bump a yellow card. He doesn't look very happy. Digley is in goal, but Bump pushes Digley out the way. Poor Digley. CJ scores! Hooray! It's okay, Bump. It's just a game. Digley passes to Bump, and Bump is about to charge, but Bump realises he's been too rough, and he needs to be kinder. Bump passes, and Digley scores! See? Everything is much better when you play nicely together. It's Halloween at Construction HQ, and the gang are about to go trick-or-treating. Mr. Rubble is very proud of his costume. Cowboys aren't that scary, Mr. Rubble. It's time to head off. Mr. Rubble is putting Kitten to bed. Night-night, Kitten. What is she up to? The gang are off trick-or-treating. That's a very scary house. Dazey is scared to knock. You can do it, Dazey. The door was open. It's a bit spooky in here. How did that bucket fall over? And what are those footprints? There's a monster in here. And it's under Mr. Rubble's hat. What is it? It was just Kitten all along. This house isn't haunted after all. Oh, Kitten, you're so cheeky. Before they go, it's time to fix that creaky door. Digley is oiling it to stop it from creaking. And the creak is gone. That's much better. Happy Halloween! The gang are getting ready for Halloween. And today, they're building a pumpkin stand at the farm. Digley is putting on the finishing touches. Oh look, it's Terry Tractor. He looks very happy with his new stand. Oops, all the pumpkins are falling. Oh dear, Daisy is covered in pumpkin. She looks a bit scary. She looks like a pumpkin monster. Look, it's Buster and Scout. Ah! Daisy has scared them away. It's given Daisy an idea. Buster and Scout are terrified of the pumpkin monster. There it is. Digley knows it's only Daisy, and it's given him an idea for a prank as well. Daisy is trying to scare Digley. But what's that? Boo! Don't worry, Daisy. It was just Scout, Digley and Buster, dressed up like pumpkins. Here's Terry the Tractor to check up on them. What's all this? What a scary bunch! Terry is rewarding them all for their hard work with a fruit basket. Yum, yum. It's a beautiful sunny day at the beach. The construction crew are on holiday. Yippee! Digley and Daisy are playing tag. What's that? It's seaweed. And it's given Digley a great idea. They've collected some materials. What are they planning to build? Aha! A beach hut. What a great idea. It's almost complete. But it is missing a roof. Not to worry. Daisy has found a large sheet of metal they can use. Whoa! Steady, Daisy. It's quite tricky to carry. Watch out! Slow down, Daisy! Be careful! Oh no! Daisy is hurt! Amber the ambulance is here to check that Daisy's okay. That was quite a bump. Phew, she's okay. That's much better. They still need to add the roof on. But now Daisy is a bit scared. Digley isn't strong enough to carry it. But if they work together, they can do it. Hooray! Watch out for the seaweed. Daisy didn't give up. And now they've done it. Well done, Daisy. Mr. Rubble and Mrs. Skip are enjoying the shade. It's a summery day at Construction HQ. What's happening? Mr. Rubble seems very nervous. They're off on holiday to the beach. Hooray! Mr. Rubble was just tricking them. Digley is building a sandcastle. Whoa! Daisy's sandcastle is huge. Digley wishes his sandcastle was that big. Mr. Rubble is happily sunbathing. Oops! Who was that? It's Buster and Scout. They're on holiday too. Digley is finishing off his new sandcastle. That's great, Digley. Daisy asked Buster to help her build an even bigger one. Look out, Mrs. Skip. Oops. Wow! Look at that! Their castle even has a moat. Digley and Scout think they can do better. Wow! That's amazing! Hang on a second. Looks like the tide is coming in. It could ruin their sandcastles. Quick, everyone! They need to work together to build a wall. Mr. Rubble is fast asleep. The tide! Quick! Oh no! Mrs. Skip! Watch out! Phew! They're okay. What an eventful day at the beach. Today, Mr. Rubble has an exciting plan for the crew. Hang on. That's not the right plan. Aha! There it is. They're building a park. The crew are ready to get started. First, they need to knock down the old building. That's an easy task for Daisy. She's nearly finished knocking it down. Huh? What's that? Little frogs? Where did you come from? This park is their home. The crew can't build here. Where would the frogs live? Don't worry, gang. Bump has an idea. He's distracting Mr. Rubble, while Digley and Daisy make some changes to Mr. Rubble's plan. They're building a new home for these 5 little frogs. Sorry, Mr. Rubble. First, Digley is cleaning up the pond, making it nice and clean. The frogs look very happy about this. Next, they've got to lay some fresh grass. Whoa! Great teamwork, guys! Oh no! Mr. Rubble has realised their plan to add a pond. He's not happy. Well, well, well. He likes the changes after all. The park looks amazing. And the frogs love it. What a beautiful new home for some very cheeky little frogs. It's almost Christmas, and the construction crew are building the Christmas market. There is so much to do. Everyone is really busy. What's that, Mr. Rubble? Is that a brand new entrance built out of coloured blocks for the market? Amazing! Here comes Bump with the blocks. Wow, they look heavy. What's Digley doing? He can't get it to stay still. Bump is going to help him. Teamwork is the key. Wow! That big hit made everything shake. Oh no! The blocks are rolling away. Now the wagon is stuck on the frozen pond. What are they going to do? What's that sound? Oh no! The blocks fell through the ice and sank into the pond. How will they build the arch now? Poor Mr. Rubble. Daisy seems to have an idea. What is she up to? Whoa! Daisy made a block out of ice. What an amazing idea! They can use the ice blocks to build the arch. Daisy is getting them out of the pond and Digley is making the arch. Last few for CJ to move. There! They made it! Here comes Mr. Rubble. Yay! He looks so happy. Well done, everyone. Brr. It's a cold winter's day and it's been snowing. Digley is making sure everyone is nice and warm by putting their woolly hats on. One for Bump. And one for Daisy. Oh no! The hat doesn't fit Daisy, but she's so excited to play in the snow that she leaves without it. Wow! It's very cold today. Daisy is a bit chilly. Everyone is having so much fun. Well, not everyone. Amber is trapped by the snow. Not to worry, the gang are here to save the day. Whoa! That was a big sneeze, Daisy. She's feeling a little bit poorly. Bump is clearing the way. Oops! Oh dear! Daisy is very cold and not feeling well at all. Poor Daisy. Nope. Amber says she needs to get some rest. They can finish the job tomorrow. Daisy is warming up by the fire and is feeling a little bit better now. Mrs. Skip has an idea. She's going to knit some new hats for the gang. Wow, what a lovely hat. Daisy is feeling much better now. She's had some rest and a new hat is keeping her warm. Go on, Daisy. She is back to her usual self. Hooray! It's a snowy day at the construction site. Look, Digley and Daisy are having a snowball fight. Oh no! They almost hit Mr. Rubble. And he looks angry, but he was only joking. I wonder what they're building today. A snowman? That's going to be so fun. Wait a second. Oh, it's a giant snowman. Wow, it's going to be huge. Everyone's working together to make giant snowballs for the snowman. Here they come. It's time to assemble. Wow, that was close. Miss Skip is working on the head. Look, there's the mouth. Digley also bought some things. A traffic cone for the nose and some old tyres for eyes. Nice teamwork. There, it's finished. Oh no, Mr. Rubble slipped. Careful. The snowman is about to fall. Watch out. Quick, Mr. Rubble. It's catching Digley too. Phew. That was a close one. Oh no, it caught Mr. Rubble. Careful. Poor Mr. Rubble. His giant snowman is ruined. But Digley and Dazey won't give up that easy. They'll build another one. Everyone is working together to build the snowman as good as new. Yay! It didn't fall this time. Amazing work, everyone. Not giving up always pays off in the end. It's Construction HQ. What's in store today? Those flowers don't look very well. They need some water. Time to save those flowers. Daddy Bus is very worried about his flowers. Not to worry, the gang are here to help. Those flowers really need some water, but the sprinkler is broken. There is no water coming out. What are they going to do? Aha! A water wheel! Maybe this can help somehow. When the water wheel moves, water comes out of the sprinkler. Keep it moving, Digley. Oopsie! How do they keep the water wheel moving? Dazey is splashing the water. When the water moves, it pushes the wheel. Hooray! Look at all that water! Wait, what? The water has stopped moving. That big pink ball is blocking the slide and stopping the water coming down to move the water wheel. Dazey is going to push the ball down. Uh-oh, the ball is very bouncy. It's Digley's turn. Go on, Digley, you can do it. Dazey is helping. Almost there. Whee! It worked! They did it! The sprinkler is working again. And the flowers are back to life. What brilliant work, team! Time for a reward. Whee! Look at them go! It's a really sunny day at Construction HQ. All the crew are having fun playing with a beach ball. Ha! Nice one, Mr. Rubble. Now today, they're putting up some traffic lights. In no time at all, they're nearly done. Dazey's just putting the last traffic light up. And now Digley has to plug them in. There! The lights are all turning on. Oh, they've gone out. Back at HQ, Mr. Rubble's playing with the ball. What's happening to the lights? Now Mr. Rubble is stuck in the dark. The power has all gone. That's very strange. Here's the electricity cable. It looks okay. I wonder where it leads. Digley's going to follow it. Mr. Rubble is still stuck in the dark. Digley and Dazey are following the cable all through the construction site. Oops! It's leading them right through this muddy puddle. Yuck! And even under this archway. Look out, Dazey! But where does it lead? Look! An electricity generator. Look at all that smoke. It must have broken down. That's why the power cut out. How will they get electricity now? Wait, I think Dazey has a plan. The sun. They can use solar panels to make power from the sunshine. Very clever, guys. Dazey puts the last one in place. With all those panels, they should have lots of power. CJ's trying the switch. Hooray! The lights are back on. It worked. Good job. Oh, Mr. Rubble has got into a real mess while he was stuck in the dark. It's another day at Construction HQ. I wonder what's in store today. They're building a tall office block. Wow, that's big. Let's get to work. Hang on. Where's CJ? She's hiding behind that box. I hope she is okay. But Mr. Rubble is getting impatient. Time to get to work. Things are moving very quickly at the construction site. Digley and Bump are putting up these big concrete blocks. Great teamwork, guys. Oh, look, a kitten has come to say hello. Hello, kitten. Uh-oh, Mr. Rubble is worried that Daisy's wrecking ball could knock the whole thing down. Phew, that was a close one. Daisy has spotted CJ hiding behind some barrels. Poor CJ. I wonder what's wrong. Oh, CJ is missing a tooth. That is why she was hiding. It's okay, CJ. No need to worry. Mr. Rubble, be careful. Oh no. He stumbled into a concrete block. And now they're all falling down. Like dominoes. Oh no, kitten. Watch out. She's too busy playing and hasn't noticed. Quick. CJ has a plan. She shoots out some cement and sticks the last block in place. But will it work? It stopped the blocks from falling. Hooray! CJ has saved the day. Well done, CJ. And look, they finished constructing the office block. They couldn't have done it without you, CJ. It's another sunny day at Construction HQ. I wonder what Mr. Rubble has in store today. Wow, they're building a crazy golf course. They're almost done in no time. Digley and Dazey are putting in the finishing touches. Great, the windmill is in place. Now it's time to test it out. Mr. Rubble is going first. He's taking it very seriously. He hits the ball. It rolls over the hills, loops the loop, goes round the roundabout, through the pipe, and... hang on, where has the ball gone? Aha! There it is. That's not right. It's gone off the course. Digley hits the ball back up the chute. He's plugging the pipe with a cork to stop it from happening again. Very clever, Digley. But where's it gone? Ouch! Watch out, Mr. Rubble. Mr. Rubble hits the ball around the bend. Now the windmill, but it's spinning way too fast. Watch out, everyone. Maybe they should change the speed of the windmill. There, that's better. Mr. Rubble tries again. And it's straight through and in the hole. Nice work, Mr. Rubble. It's Digley's turn. The ball goes over the hills, loops the loop, round the roundabout, through the pipe, under the windmill. Wow! It's a hole-in-one! Now it's Daisy's turn. Whoa! Slow down, Daisy. The ball bounces off the rock and hits Mr. Rubble. It bounces off the windmill and it lands in the hole. Hooray for Daisy!